Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I come back with another video. This is the DELL laptop Inspiron n5110 model laptop, and you can see guys, this the laptop BIOS version is A09. So if you want to install Windows 10 on this laptop, it will be not work after install a busy driver. So first you have to update the BIOS version, because this BIOS version is old version, A09 version. So now latest version BIOS is A11. So guys, I will show you how to install the BIOS on this laptop. So guys, now I have a Windows bootable drive. So I have to download this from Windows Media Creator Tools, and I have to make the bootable USB drive. So now I'll install Windows 10. How can I install? Put the USB on the laptop and press the power button and press the F12 button for the Windows boot menu, and you can see here is the USB drive storage, and I press enter and it will be loading the Windows 10 64-bit. Enter. Now loading Windows. Guys, now it's loading Windows for reformat it. Now guys, you can see here is the language English United States, and next. Install now. Hold on. And now guys, here I don't have the product key, and then you select the language. I install Windows 10 Pro Professional, and next, and I accept the license terms. Next, and go to down custom Windows only, and here you can see the four partition. First one is the C, second one data, and third one is data. The first 2% partition I have to delete. No, I have to delete the first one. Okay, and the second one, partition number 1, I have to delete, and now make the new one and apply. Okay, after that the 80 GB is the C partition, and press the next to install Windows. I press next, and now is copy file Windows. Maybe 20 minutes it will be finished after I come back. Okay guys, after finish install, now I select the language. Next, and USA, yes, and escape. You can add another layer. Escape, and without connect internet, and with limit setup, and put the username. Next, without password. Accept, and it's almost done. Okay guys, now finish Windows install, and now I'll go in system and go to the themes for the desktop icon, and go down for desktop icon settings. Mark this all, and okay. So guys, now install Windows 10 is done, but after if you make VG driver, it will be black screen. So first I have to install program and show you how to update BIOS. Guys, open my YouTube link. Is download. Go to search in the DELL n5110 model and enter, and you can just see the first one, and I will keep the description link in down, and go and you download this file. Okay, you can file download from here. Okay, start download. Hello guys, see, after I have to connect the Wi-Fi, and you can see automatic update the VG driver, and the display light is not showing. You can see just giving the little bit light but no picture. So this problem is BIOS. How can you fix this? Just update the BIOS and it will be finished. So now I will show you how to show the picture you have to connect the external display like this, external VGA connection. So guys, here I have the external VGA connection, so I will use this here. And see guys, here is no picture, but external VGA driver, external VGA have picture. So I have to finish download the drivers. So I open and extract this file. And you have to download the WinRAR or WinZip software for extract. And inside this folder have two drivers, one for the display, is display already done. So here is the BIOS. So I use the BIOS driver for update. Okay, before you have to update, you must be sure your battery is charged full, and plug the power supply. And now okay, and okay. Now we'll flash the BIOS update. It's take maybe 10 minutes, you have to wait. You can see now it's reading and writing the BIOS. It's take maybe 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take restart your laptop and the BIOS will be work perfectly. Its BIOS version is new, is before A09 and to A11 update BIOS version. So guys, you have to wait to finish this process. Now it is BIOS and reading the new BIOS programming. And see guys, now is verifying the BIOS. See, and guys, almost is done. You can see it will be finished, and take restart your computer, and after you can see your laptop is working perfectly. See, it's done. Now we'll take restart computer, and you can see here is no display light, and take restart now, it will be work. And now guys, you can see here is working perfectly. Also the external display and the internal display too is both working. So if you install Windows 10 on your laptop, DELL Inspiron n5110 model laptop, you have to update BIOS first. Or if you do not update BIOS, after you connect internet, after update the VGA driver, and you can see your laptop display is not working. So then you have to update BIOS, after that working display. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video, and hit the bell icon. Thank you, have a nice day.